Hello everyone, today I will show you how to build the LED screen. Let's go. Are you ready? Go, go, go. Now the place you see is where we specially used to conduct waterproof tests on the LED screens. And the shower head on the top constantly sparing water, and this screen falls to this water droplet. Does it look like giving the LED screen a bath? In fact, let us verify the waterproof performance of the LED screen to ensure that it can work normally in bad weather. However, based on this LED screen is not something you can do casually. First and foremost, this process can only be used on outdoor LED screen. And the design of outdoor LED screen is specially treated to withstand wind and rain. So this one has a high waterproof, dustproof, and anti-collision resistance. And they use IP65 and a higher protection standard to resist rain to ensure that it can use stably in harsh weather conditions. But the indoor LED screen is different. They don't have a strong protection capability, and is not suitable for touch water. And therefore, when building LED screen, make sure it is screen designed for outdoor environment, so that can pass the waterproof test. Thank you for watching, everybody. We will bring more knowledge about the LED screen, so stay tuned. See you next time. Bye bye.